Interrupted with the Mustache-sharp library DLL blocking Mustache Template Engine for .NET workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our troubleshooting for Mustache-sharp library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Mustache-sharp library, a popular .NET library for Mustache template parsing. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of automated reporting and web dashboard tools. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing the software from generating dynamic text or reports. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Because Mustache-sharp library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the Mustache Template Engine for .NET system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Mustache-sharp library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Mustache-sharp library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Mustache-sharp library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Mustache-sharp library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.